Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cecelia. How are you doing today? In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my portable small blender. Oh yes, so I got this blender on Temu, and this is how the blender is. I have to squeeze this back. It's actually a very small portable blender. You actually don't have to plug this blender. You just have to charge it. I already charge it. This is the port for the charging, and all you have to do after you charge it up to 100%, you can actually use it. So I have the strawberry. I'll be doing a quick strawberry juice. That's what I'll be doing. I have strawberry inside here. I put a little bit of ginger, and I will be blending this with pomegranate. This pomegranate is an antioxidant, a very strong antioxidant, and the strawberry and the ginger in here are also very strong antioxidants. So let's see how this blender works. Actually, I got this blender for about $7 on Temu. Yes, and let's see how it works. Especially for people, if you want to go to your office, you want to make your fresh juice, and you don't want to plug anything in. So now you don't have to blend your juice when you're going to the office. You can actually make your juice right from the comfort of your office cubicle. So now I have this. So this is very handy. It has this handle here. So, and you can actually press this open here, and you can drink. You can drink from there. Yeah. So what I'm going to do now, I don't have to plug this again. You don't need this. You don't have to plug. All I have to do, I can check the battery level. You see the battery was charged at 99. So now let's see how this magic blender works. You press it, you put it at the function. This is level 1. You can do level 2. You can do level 3. I'll advise you start at the highest level to blend it very well. Then you go back, you press this button, and it start blending. You actually have to press it down. You see? You can actually press down. So you press that, and this is actually done. So the next thing you want to do is to pour the juice out from the mini blender. Let's see. Wow. You see how smooth this blender blends this juice. Wow. This is cool. Try this out. If you need a link to the blender, I'll put it in the comment section. Let me know what you think. This actually blends this juice very well. Until next time, when I come your way, it's your girl. I love you. Bye for now. Right in the comfort of your office without carrying all your blood. So let me know if you like this.